path to business success is paved with opportunities, it is also fraught with potential pitfalls. Understanding and sidestepping common business mistakes can significantly enhance the viability and sustainability of a startup. In the next 7 minutes, we'll dive into the key mistakes that business owners should avoid when launching or starting a business.
Understanding and sidestepping common business mistakes can significantly enhance the viability and sustainability of a startup or business. Research shows that 50% of small businesses fail in their first year of operation, while half survive beyond 5 years of existence. Just a third part last to 10 years of business operation. These failures could be generated from various bottlenecks or challenges and common business mistakes that most of them neglected when starting a business. Let's dive into the key 10 mistakes that entrepreneurs and business owners should avoid when launching or starting a business. First, let's consider neglecting market research. Failing to conduct comprehensive market research is a crucial misstep for new entrepreneurs and business owners. Overlooking this crucial step can lead to misguided assumptions about customer needs, market trends, and competition landscapes. By neglecting market research, entrepreneurs and business owners risk investing time and resources into products or services that may not align with market demands, leading to potential failure. Next is ignoring financial planning. Poor financial planning and management are detrimental to the longevity of a business. Startups often fail due to inadequate financial projections or lack of contingency planning. Ignoring financial aspects such as cash flow management, capital allocation, and cost control can lead to financial instability and ultimately, business collapse. Up next is underestimating competition. Many entrepreneurs and business owners make the mistake of underestimating the competition or failing to conduct a thorough competitive analysis. Ignoring the presence and strategies of competitors can leave businesses vulnerable to being so outmaneuvered in the market. Understanding the competitive landscape is essential for differentiation, positioning, and sustainable growth. Another common business mistake to consider is doing everything yourself. It's crucial when launching a business to avoid doing everything by yourself. It makes sense to retain control of your business, but doing all by yourself can be exhausting, and an individual can't be an expert or skilled in every facets of starting and launching a business. For success, you need a team of 1 or 2 persons for a start in specialized areas or skills you are deficient, to assist in some assigned responsibilities of the business. For example, it could be employing the services of a digital marketer, while you concentrate on the sales aspect of the business, or employing a few hands for the production processes. This will help you to stay focused to achieve your business objectives and goals. Next is foregoing a compelling business plan. Launching a business without a comprehensive, well-thought-out business plan is a recipe for disaster. A solid business plan acts as a roadmap, guiding business owners through various stages of development, including market analysis, marketing strategies, operations plans, and financial projections. Foregoing this crucial document can lead to disorganization, missed opportunities, haphazard decision-making. Up next is insufficient knowledge of the target market. It's pertinent to understand that when setting up a business, that your product or service is not meant for everyone. You need to have a solid understanding of your target market. With insufficient knowledge, you won't be able to create and communicate an effective marketing strategy in reaching your desired customers or target market. Avoid the mistake of not properly researching who your target market is, and you'll save yourself of not wasting money targeting the wrong customers through marketing efforts. Another common business mistake to consider is hiring the wrong people. When starting a business, it is very pertinent to surround yourself with a positive energy and a team who aligns with your vision, mission, and core values for a great success. Avoid emotional sentiment when hiring a team. Don't hire friends and family members who don't have the required skills or best fit for the job. That's the beginning of failure in the business. Set clear expectations from the commencement of the business and communicate them effectively and regularly to your team members. Up next is over-reliance on self-perception. This common business mistake is identified among entrepreneurs and business owners, who are overly attached to their initial vision and overlook valuable feedback and market signals. Failing to adapt to changing market dynamics and customer feedback and industry trends can hinder innovation and agility of the business. Business owners should embrace growth mindset and remain open to pivoting when necessary. Next is scaling too rapidly. While ambition is a commendable trait for entrepreneurs, scaling a business too quickly can be detrimental. Rapid expansion without solid foundations, adequate resources, or a proven customer base can strain operations and lead to quality dilution. Premature scaling can result in overextension, financial stress, and operational inefficiencies. Finally is neglecting legal and regulatory compliance. Business owners must navigate through a couple of legal and regulatory requirements. Neglecting these obligations, whether related to permits, licenses, levies, business registration, contracts, trademarks, or intellectual property rights, can lead to legal entanglement, fines, and reputational damage. Complying with all relevant laws and regulations is paramount for long-term business sustainability. Conclusively, navigating the entrepreneurial landscape demands foresight, strategic planning, and an acute awareness of potential stumbling blocks. By evading common business mistakes such as neglecting market research, ignoring financial planning, underestimating competition, foregoing a compelling business plan, doing everything yourself, hiring wrong people, over-reliance on self-perception, scaling too rapidly and neglecting legal and regulatory compliance, business owners can fortify their ventures against avoidable setbacks. Understanding these potential pitfalls can pave way for a more resilient and successful entrepreneurial journey.